All right, another milestone day out here. The drywallers had put that firewall up, so one of the next thing that's in line that has to be done is I've got to get plumbing finished because we have to be able to tie into the septic. If we move in, we want to be able to have the laundry running and one of the bathrooms the bathroom downstairs. So plumbers are here today. He called me up and said I'll be there tomorrow. So me and the wife, we made a trip last night. We didn't get home till after midnight. We had to buy the tub and some of the valves for the bathrooms and just some miscellaneous, and it was pouring rain. But you got to do what you got to do, and we had to get it here so that the plumbers can move on. So got it done. So far today, it's nice, partly cloudy skies, but we got rain coming, so there's going to be several ones. So a couple little oopsies when they poured concrete and the drain for the one tub. But he says he can make it work, so show you some pictures, and here's what we have as far as plumbing goes. So hope you enjoy it. Shower foam right here. See pack. A couple more years, you ain't gonna make that.
Oh yeah. I've done select.
Thought I'd come into the utility room here and work on the in-floor heating system. I haven't bought the big board at the top, but right now, as you can see, all of our lines just come out of the floor and they're just sticking up here, and they need to go to a main header. Now, I did go and purchase a header. This is the header assembly manifold, and then out of this it'll go up to the in-floor heating system, which I think ours is just going to be electric for now. We'll play it by ear for later. So anyhow, I'm going to put a piece of plywood on the wall there, and I'm just going to attach it to the wall. So take a look. little bit low. I do have a drain right below that, but I'm kind of guided by my shortest pipe, and that's where it's located. So that's why I've located it where it's at, way down here low. We got other stuff that's going to go up there for the system and whatnot, but that's just where this is going to have to go for now.
Got any more garden hose here?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. Got a
Enough to reach from
Oh yeah.
out there to here?
Yeah.
Leave it here and I'll...
Several
you,
hundred
you gonna be here tomorrow?
I might be here in the morning just to make sure everything
Okay.
gets all smooth.
Okay.
Y'all gonna be here
About-
7?
Yeah, about the same time, yeah.
Okay. I usually don't go to work till late anyway, so if I'm a little late, I'm a little late.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say, because I'll need a... I guess you're locking this building, right?
No.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know, it's getting to the point where I guess I should. But
Yeah, I mean, you got a lock gate out there, so I mean...
yeah. It's just
I
gonna keep,
know, like I said, I was gonna tell you, just be sure you leave the key under the rock.
it's just gonna keep it honest, man, honest, that's about it.
That's all a lock does.
Well, the plumber set came out. They've got the water softener set. This is where our water is going to be coming in. I still got to attach that to the pipe going to the outside. But they got our filtration systems in. We got our drop sink in, all piped up and plumbed up. That's the piping there for the in-floor heating system. And lo and behold is the tankless water heater. Got to get some electrical wires going to that and we'll be ready to go. So as the plumbing goes, they've gotten everything done. We've got the washer and dryer hookups right there. There's some of the main piping and plumbing that branches off. And over here, there's lines that go in and go down. Those are the ones that go into the utility room outside that feeds the system. Over here, we got the bathroom. They've got the valve already on the Already on the tub, drain going down into the slab, as you can see there. So that one is ready to go. Over here we got our sink. Plumbing goes up, goes into the rafters, and travels along in the rafters. We got some plumbing right over here in between the ductwork, and as you can see, but that plumbing is what goes into the, going to go upstairs to go to the bathroom. Over here we also have plumbing that goes upstairs. That line right there will be going up to the tub, or the shower, the stand-up shower. Continues over, venting, and then there's one more line there that goes up. I'd have to go upstairs and see what that actually plugs into. That one right there is the toilet upstairs. Yeah, that line there's the vent. It'll continue upstairs, go through the roof. Got wiring over, plumbing over here that comes out for the sink here in the kitchen, right below the window. Now over here we have the refrigerator hookup. We didn't get any connections on that, but that's fine. I'm just going to run a tube up and over. It'll come down right here on this side over here. This is going to be the bar, and we have plumbing that also sticks out here. You can see the piece of tape hanging on it. And but what we'll end up doing on that is we're going to have the reverse osmosis system here. So off that reverse osmosis system, we'll run a line over and up and go over to the refrigerator. That way it's on the reverse osmosis. So plumbing wise, that's everything there is downstairs. Let me go look upstairs. Upstairs, really cut and dry. We got a line coming up for venting from downstairs on the shower. We've got the line that drain that's going to be for the sink. Another vent that's coming up from the washer and dryer and everything below. Then that venting goes up and goes into the attic space. From the attic space, it comes over. It meets that one pipe that came up through the floor that is a vent. Those two vents turn and then go through the roof, which we had to put a rubber boot up the top. We got our stand-up shower here. This ductwork is not going to be here. I'm having to move that. So we've got a stand-up shower. Got our valve unit for that. Hot and cold water, obviously. Hot and cold. There we go. There is our shower drain for whenever they finish that out. And then we've got a cold water line that comes over and picks up the toilet. And that is it. There's not a whole lot of plumbing on the house. Kind of designed it that way and kind of kept it all as close as we could on one side of the house. And we will end up doing the finish out of the plumbing, or I will call him back for like a one-day work just to come in and put in his little bitty items. That way he can go ahead and bill me for what work he had done and then move on.